Well, hundreds of Maui wildfire victims will need to wait a few more days to find out where their case will be heard in a lawsuit against Hawaiian Electric Company.
Our Eric Nacton was at U.S. District Court for today's hearing and has this update.
Maui wildfire victims will need to wait at least until next week to get details on the next phase of a lawsuit against utility companies, including Hawaiian Electric Company and others.
Fire victims have nothing but uncertainty in their life because everything they've known has been turned upside down. And so it's unfortunate that we've been dragged off to federal court for a couple of months and wasted some time. And so that's very frustrating for them. Good news is we will hopefully be back in state court soon.
U.S. District Court Judge Jill Otaki heard arguments Wednesday on Oahu. The hearing involved a plaintiff's motion to send the wildfire cases back to state court on Maui. The decision that's handed down by the judge on Monday will ultimately come down to one of three possibilities. Cases will either be held in Honolulu in the federal court, sent back to state court on Maui, or a combination of the two. Judge Otaki's decision is expected next Monday. It's possible the judge may want more briefing on certain issues.
I think the victims of the fire deserve to have their cases move forward as quickly as possible, and I hope we get a good decision on Monday so we can take the cases to get them going to trial. We can try this case in state court or federal court. We happen to think that the state court is further ahead. We were working with the state court judge for several months, and we have the organization ready. Judge Cahill is ready to set trial dates, and for the sake of the fire victims, we can get to trial faster in the state courts.
Attorney Jana Poe grew up in the Lahaina area. One of his relatives died in the fire. He's also been pastor to many people involved in the disaster. His firm Poe, Rec, and Kusachi recently opened another branch on Maui that focuses on wildfire cases. Poe represents over 1,000 fire victims at this time. Eric Nacton, Island News.